somewhere beneath the ocean. Some believe an ancient civilization may be waiting to be discovered. A powerful city, said to have disappeared beneath the sea thousands of years ago. Its name? Atlantis. But was Atlantis a real place, or simply one of history's greatest legends?
Massive, ancient city, hidden in darkness.
The story of Atlantis became famous through the writings of the ancient Greek philosopher Plato. He described a powerful island civilization, wealthy, technologically advanced for its time, and eventually destroyed by catastrophic events. According to the story, Atlantis disappeared beneath the ocean,
shaping the future of human thought.
Plato described Atlantis as an extraordinary civilization. Its capital was said to contain enormous walls, canals, temples, and magnificent buildings. But eventually, the civilization supposedly fell. According to Plato's account, Atlantis was destroyed by catastrophic earthquakes and floods. In a single devastating event, the city was said to vanish beneath the sea. But there is one major problem. We have never found definitive archaeological evidence proving Atlantis existed. Over the centuries, explorers have proposed countless locations. Some searched the Atlantic Ocean. Others suggested islands in the Mediterranean, including Santorini and nearby regions. But none has been conclusively identified as Atlantis.
Remained hidden. Countless theories point to different coordinates. But where exactly did Atlantis truly fall?
One fascinating possibility is that Atlantis was inspired by real disasters. Massive volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and tsunamis have destroyed ancient settlements throughout history. The destruction of the Minoan civilization on Crete and nearby islands has sometimes been compared with elements of the Atlantis story. But this remains a theory, not proof. Today, technology has transformed underwater archaeology. Sonar, robotic submarines, and high-resolution mapping systems can explore places humans could never reach before. And the deeper we explore, the more we discover about our ancient past.
Drone is in position.
Sonar is picking up a grid.
Proceeding with the scan.
So, was Atlantis real? There is currently no conclusive archaeological evidence proving that Plato's Atlantis existed exactly as described. For many researchers, Atlantis is best understood as a legendary story that may have been influenced by real events. But the mystery continues. Imagine that tomorrow, scientists discovered an unmistakable ancient city beneath the ocean. What would it change about our understanding of history? And perhaps the biggest question is not, where is Atlantis? But what other lost civilizations are still waiting to be discovered?
There it is. Exactly where the map said. Let's move in closer.
Atlantis may be a myth, or it may be a distorted memory of something that really happened. Until evidence appears, the lost city remains one of history's greatest mysteries. What do you believe? Myth or reality? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to HiddenNex for more mysteries, hidden history, and unbelievable discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.